Good morning, everyone. So today I am going to report about the electric current and Ohm's law. Electric current and Ohm's law. What is electric current? Electric current is the flow of charges. By convention, this flow is taken as motion of positive charges. So, it is assumed that charges flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of a device that provides the potential difference, like a battery or generator. In reality, we know that it is the electron that flows, but since there is no big difference between the current of positive and negative charges, so we shall follow the usual practice provided that the following conditions are met. First, there must be an intermediary path for the charges to flow through. Some liquids and plasma allow charges to pass through easily, and they are called conductors. Those that prevent electrical flow are called insulators. Second, there must be a potential difference between the 2 points. This will literally push the charges from one terminal to another. If these conditions are present, then an electrical circuit or loop is closed. The number of charges that passes through a point per second is called current and uses the symbol I. Then, current is equal to charge divided by time interval. I is equal to Q divided by T. The derived unit coulomb per second leads to a new unit ampere, or A. It is named after Andre Marie Ampere. The instrument used to measure current is called ammeter. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. It is developed by George Simon Ohm. There are three important variables in Ohm's law, or the resistance, voltage, and current. In resistance, the symbol is R. The unit used is ohm. This is the symbol. Second variable is voltage. The symbol of voltage is V, and the unit used is volts, and the symbol also is V. The last is current. The symbol of current is I, and the unit used is ampere, and the symbol is A. There are three formulas used for Ohm's law. To find the voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. V is equal to I multiplied by R. To find the current, formula is current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. I is equal to V divided by R. To find the resistance, the formula is resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. R is equal to V divided by I. Example, a motor with an operating resistance of 20 is connected to a voltage source. The current in the circuit is 2.3 ampere. What is the voltage of the source? 2I multiplied by R. V is equal to, the current here is 2.3 ampere. And the resistance is 20. So 20 ohms. So current multiplied by resistance. 2.3 ampere multiplied by 20 is equal to 46 volts. So the answer is voltage is equal to 46 volts. Next example. Find the current I through a resistor of resistance R is equal to 3 ohms if the voltage across the resistor is 9 volts. Formula is I is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So I is equal to, the voltage here is 9 volts. And the resistance is 3 ohms. So to get the answer, you need to divide 9 volts divided by 3 ohms. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So the answer is current is equal to 3 ampere. Next example. A small light bulb is connected to a 8 volts battery and draws 4 ampere of current. What is the resistance of bulb? So the formula of resistance is R is equal to volts divided by current. So R is equal to, the volt here is 8. So 8 volts divided by, and the current here is 4 ampere. You need to divide the 8 volts to 4 ampere. So 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So resistance is equal to 2 ohms. So that's all for this morning. I hope that you learned something from the topic that we discussed today.